airplane to come here. The landing of the airplane, which is very cool, and that is very nice to have a chance to see that.
Moonwood on a cloud, once upon a time.
I think now we will go to the point that we can see the airplane or jet. And next to the others, and then ocean. The jet. Wow! Oh! Alright guys, so we are at the beside the beach here, and then in 10 minutes you will see the airplane will come. You look behind me, the sea is like very blue color. Let's go together. Where? We are looking. We come here to look for airplane in 10 minutes, and now we are running to the beach to see the airplane to come here. Oh. To see the airplane to come here. But airplanes, I think this starts to take off, to go up there. Sorry, I will pass the room. I really love it. Woo! love the videos of the airplane landing here and the views of the landing of the airplane, which is very cool, and that is very nice to have a chance to see that. Thank you so much for watching the videos. I hope you will love the video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.